Hello everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how you can build a typewriter project. As you can see, the live extension is on, so we don't need to manually refresh. We'll start by adding the div followed by the class attribute. Init typewriter will be the value. Hello, I am Mavex Squats, okay? Welcome to my coding adventure. Then we close the div, we'll save that, and there it is. So we are going over to our CSS to style it. And before we start, make sure that you've linked the CSS file to the HTML. We'll say .typewriter because it's a div class, so it will be dot. The width will be 28 ch. This ch specifies the width of the content area, the padding area, or the border area. Okay? And then animation, we'll make it to be typing, 6 seconds, steps, 28, forwards. Now, we're going to add blink, dot 5 seconds, step end. This is shorthand property, combines the 6 of the animation properties. Then infinite alternate there. Okay, we'll save that and you see how it's all arranged now. And then we're going to add white space. This white space specifies how the white space is handled. We'll make it no wrap to be the value, no wrap. And there, overflow will be hidden. So once we save that, you see part of the welcome has now been hidden in the web page. Border right, 3 pixels solid, and then the font family will make it monospace so that it will look like typewriter style. Let's save that and you see it. It's a bit tiny. Okay, let's fix that. It's too tiny. Let's make it to be font size 2em. Let me save that. And once I save this, you see it's a lot better now. You can see better. So we add keyframes. At keyframes typing 0%, 100%. Width, we'll make it to be 0. We'll save that. Okay. The typing is now looking good. 50%. The width is going to be 28 ch. Remember, it specifies the width of the content area, padding area, or border area. And there it is. Let me see. Let's add at keyframes blink. Okay, for the blinking part. Border coloring. Transparent. There we have it. So let's save that and let's add 50% for it. Okay, it looks better now. 50%, save that, and there it is. Wow, it's supposed to have worked. Let me see. Let's refresh it. Let's check what could be wrong. Okay, let me see. It's supposed to be working, and oh, it's alternate. I'm so sorry. Alternate. You see, it's a little error. Save that, and there it is. So there was a little misspelling there, but now we've seen how the typewriting effect works. So you can try this out and let me know in the comments how yours turned out.